Switch gears here now. The Kilpatrick corruption trial started back in September, but today jurors will finally hear the closing arguments. Let's head downtown to 7 Action News investigator Ross Jones. And Ross, we're almost there, my man.
We are almost there, Vic, and lots of people are happy about that. After more than 100 witnesses, more than 69 days of testimony, we are finally today going to hear closing arguments in this case. Both sides finally getting to make their final pitches to the jurors. Now, before that happens at 12:30, Judge Nancy Edmonds had to read about 70 pages of instructions to the jurors telling them how they need to deliberate in this case once they have the opportunity to make their decision. They were reminded to concentrate not on the quantity of witnesses. Remember, the government had more than 80, but the quality of their testimony. And she told jurors not to allow the guilty pleas of others associated with this case, like Victor Mercado or Derek Miller, to be used against these three defendants. Now, in less than a half hour, at about 12:30, the government will go first with its closing argument. We believe it should last about 2.5 hours, and then we will break for the day. Tomorrow, Kwame Kilpatrick's lawyer, Jim Thomas, will deliver his closing in the morning, Bernard Kilpatrick's in the afternoon, and then on Wednesday, Bobby Ferguson's lawyer will get his chance. Then the government gets a chance to make a rebuttal closing argument. They get basically the opportunity to speak first and last, and then sometime mid-afternoon, probably on Wednesday, the jury will begin to make some deliberations. We will be live blogging all of closing arguments beginning at 12:30 on WXYZ.com. Not an easy task for any of these lawyers to put the last 5 months basically in just a couple of hours of arguments, but that's what they're going to have to do. Should be very interesting, and we hope you'll join us on WXYZ.com. Reporting live downtown at Federal Court, I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you, Ross.